Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now up to lesson 6. The topic of this lesson is circle of control. So in habit 1, being proactive, what we have learned is that if you do not have any control what different people are thinking about yourself, but you do have a control that how much that the opinion of other people impacts you, or how you are getting affected by what other people are saying about you. So topic of this this lesson is the circle of control and circle of no control. So in your life situations there are two circles. The inner circle is the circle of control, or called the circle of influence. This is the circle where you can work, where you have the control, where you are the boss of yourself. And there is the outer circle, the circle of no control, where you do not have any influence, which can be called as the circle of concern, but you do not have any control about that thing. For example, if some of your friend or your colleague or your family member has a specific opinion about yourself, you do not have a control upon changing that opinion. But yes, in your circle of control you do have a control that how much that opinion should impact you. For example, if somebody is having an opinion yet that you do not study, or you do not work, or you are not a good student, this is the opinion. You do not have a control on the opinion of the people. In your circle of control, you have the control to be hardworking, to do hard work, and to be the best student. So there are some questions like there are two circles, circle of control and no circle of control. This is shown in the book. So you have to write the things which are in your circle of control and which are not in your circle of control. So just write down the things. There are certain options that, for example, if there are some papers, there are some examinations or different things, people are thinking, people have opinion, or there are some situations, for example, the weather is not good, or weather is very pleasant. This is out of control. This is not in your circle of control. But in your circle of control is that you can work hard, you can work on your studies, you can work on your health, you can work on your relation with your parents, with your friends. So this is in your circle of control. The idea is that if you keep on working in your circle of control, you start growing and people start listening to you and people start noticing you. And if you remain in the circle of concern or in the circle of no control, you start becoming reactive. So idea is that we have to become proactive, habit 1, and being proactive means that we have to remain in our circle of control. Whatever the things we can do, whatever the things we can change, we have to focus on those things.